Yo, big up Bel-Air. Official sponsor Stylo G birthday party. You know how we do. Drip, drip. Big up Hip Flask. You don't know. Warning.
Top viewers and subscribers. Bless up on the cell up on the know the style though. Yeah man, Stylo G birthday. And talking about birthday that was yesterday. And today now live and direct is Popcaan birthday. Yes, he pray. So bless up them and know them style guys. But anyways, what we really forward for talk about the exposure spice or expose our baby father, is it? And I like me business but it brawl into the media cause they saw them take it as it. Yeah man, them thing that that's something where you have to look on and say it's not good for the youth, they'll say me, but right now we're not too business about them beef cause baby mother then and father think 2 2s later them good. You see me, you know them way the people cause so them think they always go. You see me, family matters are them look at something there, but me I make on the ear where she have to say differently still if you don't get it. Or you get for prayed.
The kids them not hear from you, me one and God. Me pin them there Atlanta. How much more now pan quarantine? Me not hear ya. Hey, you know how much food, hey. You know how much things and food and things. You pin them one, this, them one. Me no see a post on Instagram and I say, boy, me pin them lock up at Atlanta. Me go do this and me go do that and me go. You're the America now. Me no see you. And one time you come here, come look for them. But you call the picnic last night and you claim that the picnic text like I know him and me I take with phone from the picnic and me I text to the picnic. Your picnic not there, yeah. Nicholas not there, yeah. You know, text me as a big man, text me as the mother. I said, Grace, what happened to Nicholas, this or happened or whatever. Well, you gone on Instagram can post because that's your energy, you love hype, you love clouds. And you claim say you want to be a big man now. Text me as the mother to find out what's going on. Now run up on Instagram because you always want to tear me down. You want people to have bad things to say about me. You don't have nothing good to say about me. But yet still I mean one Jesus and God. I take care of you two pitting them. Love me no man. Love me. Leave me alone. Big man, come off of my back. Let me walk and can't stand up and breathe. Come off of my back. Jesus Christ, man. When me do you in a life, so come off of my back. You get up out of the Instagram and me and I have nothing. Nicholas not there, yeah. Me not have no phone. Nicholas have him phone. If you want, you call him on WhatsApp. Call him, video call him. Pack me a pack up to leave. Look, me, come like say, somebody where cause you not send me DM. When I screenshot of my baby father, I say, so screenshot this and go tell my baby father, say, me say, see there, my house empty, everything I clear out. I move. So when I tell you, see there, the house empty, Nicholas not there, yeah. When I call my baby father and tell him, say, me say, the house empty. Tell him, me say, Nicholas not there, you see it there. Hold on, come like, when anybody want to screenshot this and say, go give my baby father. See the room here, Nicholas! Nicholas not there, yeah. Him not here. Me not have no phone to hide. Me not take no phone from no picnic. Me not try stop nobody from talk to no picnic. Nicholas is not here. So no send it, go tell me baby father do. Call him and tell him. Say your baby mother say Nicholas not there, yeah. Jesus Christ, so no careful when I lie down with me, I tell you no because I want next decade what a problem I got the pound back. When nobody make the same mistake with me I make. Careful when I have sex with, careful what coming out, no can't say me never want to, no can't stay there laugh. You can't say me never want to, so no stay there laugh. Me not take no phone from Nicholas. Me not hide Nicholas. Nicholas have him on a phone. Look, a boy probably play a game with the boy. Them and I don't want to talk to nobody. Cause when Nicholas play a game and I play football and I play this, not even me, not even stop to talk to him. I say the game, I go dead in the game and all kind of something. Why it have to be me? I take the phone from him. Call him man and tell him say Nicholas not there. Yeah. So man. And some could have terrible, so. Man could have awful, so. back now, man. Come on from back and love me, man. Love me now, no, man. Love me now, man. I can talk all kind of things about you, but this is not about it. I just try to show you. So enough time you get up on the internet and you want me to talk all kind of things and you just provoke my spirit, you provoke me come, you provoke me go, because you want me to talk all kind of things and you have the worst things to say. Nicholas not there, yeah. Him not in here, him not there, yeah. Me not hide him now when me not have no phone I take from him. Nicholas not there, yeah. I don't play a game with the little boy time. I said the little boy gonna have little fun somewhere. The little boy there somebody yard. No, the house are tear down. The things them a move out, the kids them not here. So I wanna give my baby father the message. Me I beg you, please. I wanna have a good day. Lisa Hannah, I love you. Big up yourself, mama. I can't do like you, come here, you two different fish. When you can calm down and talk and be resilient, I'm nice. I don't know if you do it, because I don't know, me give me ignorant, I don't know if you calm down. So nobody come call me and tell me, sir. You tell me, I tell you not to do those stuff. I can't sleep in my bed, because the man tell life on me. Maybe let off the steam the way me ignorant I boil up in me. I don't want dead in my sleep the way me ignorant. Yo! I come back alive. I love you guys.
People like when we say still, you know, she bunny mode, she be direct and thing, and she make she also explain why she bunny mode and thing, you see me? But bigger man thing still. I tell you, but later them good man, you see me? That's also relationship thing go, you see me people? Yeah man. But anyways, at the end of the video, this is people, so big up on yourself each and every time you see it. Yeah man, we are get there and thing man. Bless up YouTube, bless up Jamaica, you see me? Like, subscribe and share.